Hello poultry enthusiasts, today we're immersing ourselves in the world of the English Black Orpington cock or rooster. A regal and impressive chicken breed known for its striking appearance and docile nature, these remarkable birds have unique characteristics and requirements for successful rearing. But before we dive into this exciting journey, remember to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more insights into this captivating world of poultry. The English Black Orpington Rooster is a breed steeped in history, originated in the United Kingdom in the late 19th century. They are a variety of Orpington breed cherished for their distinctive appearance and friendly temperament. These roosters have earned a place of honor in the world of poultry. English Black Orpington Roosters are known for their large and robust build. They feature glossy jet black feathers that cover their entire bodies, including their legs. These roosters have a low stance and a broad chest, giving them a majestic and imposing presence. Their red combs and wattles stand out against their dark plumage. To successfully raise and care English Black Orpington Roosters, it's important to provide them with the right growing conditions. They thrive in a spacious coop with good ventilation. Adequate space and cleanliness are essential to prevent feather-related health issues. English Black Orpington Roosters are adaptable to various climates, but they should be protected from extreme cold or heat. Providing access to clean, fresh water and a balanced diet is crucial to support their overall well-being. English Black Orpington Roosters generally have a calm and friendly disposition, making them compatible with other chicken breeds and poultry species. They are known for their docile nature and often serve as peacemakers in the flock. These roosters serve multiple purposes in the backyard flocks. While they may not be prolific egg layers, English Black Orpington Roosters are excellent protectors for the flock, sounding alarms in case of danger. Their majestic appearance and friendly demeanor also make them popular for exhibition and poultry shows. In conclusion, English Black Orpington Roosters are a regal and impressive addition to any poultry enthusiast flock. Their history, distinctive appearance, and friendly nature make them a beloved choice among chicken keepers. If you found this exploration as captivating as we did, please give us a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments below. Stay tuned for more insights into the world of poultry on our channel.